problem first bit. We will discuss from second bit. This is in page number 15. The problem is x plus iy is equals to 3 divided by 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. Then show that x square plus y square is equals to 4x minus 3. So what is given is x plus iy is equals to 3 divided by 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. This is the problem given and asked us to find and show that x square plus y square is equals to 4x minus 3. So before going to show that LHS is equals to RHS, first of all, we need to know what is x and what is y. Then only we can find LHS value by substituting xy and RHS value as well. So if you have anything below, if a fraction is having anything like complex number in denominator, then in ninth class itself we would have studied the concept that if you have any this is the complex conjugate of 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. So what we are going to do now is we multiply the RHS with denominator numerator with a complex conjugate. So that is x plus iy is equals to 3 divided by 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. So we differentiate as real part and imaginary part, the denominator, and we multiply it the complex conjugate of the denominator, and both means both the numerator and denominator, 2 plus cos theta minus I sin. Numerator we don't have any problem, we directly write 3 into 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta, means 3 into divided by, here we do have the formula like a plus b, a minus b. Here a is 2 plus cos theta, b is I sin theta, and we know the formula from 7th class onwards we will be studying a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So by using that formula we write that 2 plus cos theta whole square minus I sin theta whole square. The formula which we use is a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. Now, if you multiply the numerator with 3 into 2 plus cos theta minus I 3 sin theta divided by, to simplify this, means if you use the formula a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b minus this we get as I square sin square. Here we use a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2. I think I am clear till this step. So further we will simplify the denominator. 3 into 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta divided by 4 plus cos square theta plus 4 cos theta minus, we know that I square is minus 1. So minus 1 sin square theta, because I square we know that minus. So till here I think I am clear. So please note down or else take a screenshot. Now what we get is 3 into 2 plus cos theta minus I3 sin theta divided by 4 plus 4 cos theta and cos square theta minus into minus we get plus 1 into sin square theta is sin square theta. Now what do we get is numerator we don't need to do anything. So 3 into 2 plus cos theta minus I3 sin theta divided by
కెమెరా కనిపించట్లేదు వర్డ్ సరిగా కనిపించట్లేదు సార్.
మా టెక్నికల్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉండొచ్చు, కొంతసేపు ఓపికగా ఉంటే కనిపిస్తామా, లేకపోతే మీరు సిగ్నల్ వచ్చే దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి కూర్చోండి. 4 plus 4 cos theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is the first identity in trigonometry. We know that it has 1, which is 3 into 2 plus cos theta minus I3 sin theta divided by 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 4 cos. So we left hand side x plus iy undi. If you write the real part and imaginary part on right hand side also, we get as 3 into 2 plus theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta minus, or else you can write plus I minus 3 sin theta divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta. Now, by comparing or equating on both sides, on LHS and RHS side, you get the value of x and y. So, real and imaginary parts on both sides, we get x as 3 into 2 plus cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta and y as minus 3 sin theta divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta. So whatever we did to find these values only x and y values. So we know what is x and we know what is y. Now we will go and prove what is given. If we consider the equation LHS, x square plus y square is given. So what is x? 2 plus cos theta divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta. This is x whole square plus minus 3 sin theta divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. X square plus y square. So please note down or take a screenshot. We'll move on to next step.
Not clear, sir.
చూడమ్మా, కనిపిస్తుంది చూడమ్మా. ఎవరా సార్ కనిపిస్తుందా?
వెరీ క్లియర్ సార్, క్లియర్ గా ఉంది సార్.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్. మా మీరు మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి అమ్మా ప్లీజ్, క్లాస్ డిస్టర్బ్ అవుతుంది. దయచేసి ఒక్కరు అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకున్నా కూడా అది ఎక్కువ సౌండ్ వచ్చి వాయిస్ సరిగా వినిపించదు, మీ వల్ల అందరికీ డిస్టర్బెన్స్ అవుతుంది. దయచేసి అందరూ మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి. ఒకవేళ ఏదైనా టెక్నికల్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉండి సరిగ్గా కనిపించకపోయినా సరిగ్గా వినిపించకపోయినా పేషెంట్స్తో ఒక 2 minutes వెయిట్ చేయండి, కనిపిస్తుంది వినిపిస్తుంది. So that is equals to, if you square the both numerator and denominator, we get 9 into 2 plus cos theta whole square divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square plus Here also minus 3 whole square is 9 cos square theta divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square, which is equals to 9 into, here again we expand by using a plus b whole square formula. I directly write, I think everybody knows the formula. So 4 plus 4 cos theta plus cos square theta plus, okay, divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square plus 9 cos square theta divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square.
సార్ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ థీటా సార్ కాస్ స్క్వేర్ థీటా కాదు.
Sir.
Science square,
Okay,
sir.
thank you. Okay, okay, fine. Now, what do we get here is, since denominators are same, these two are like fractions, so we can write them as a single fraction by adding the numerator. So 9 into 4 plus 4 cos theta plus cos square theta plus 9 sin square theta. We do have 9 common in both the terms, so we can take off 9 as common. So 4 plus 4 cos theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square, which is equals to 9 into 4 plus 4 cos theta. And again here the identity, we know cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Now we have 9 by, into 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 4 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Here we have same terms on numerator and denominator. So the term in numerator and one term in denominator gets cancelled. Remaining is 9 divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta, which is LHS. This is the LHS we find out, and we will go on to find what is RHS. So take a screenshot so that we can move on. Now let us consider the RHS. RHS is 4x plus 3, 4x minus 3. 4x minus 3. So we have x as 3 into 2 plus cos theta, 4 into by 5 plus 4 cos theta minus 3.
Yes.
This you get as 4 3s, 12 into 2 plus cos theta. So if I find LCM for both the terms, 5 plus 4 cos theta minus 3 into 5 plus 4 cos theta, which we get as, if you simplify the numerator, denominator you don't simplify anything, you don't need to simplify. 12 to 24 plus 12 cos theta minus 3 into 5 is minus 15, minus into plus minus 3/4 12 cos theta divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta. We do have minus 12 cos theta and plus 12 cos theta, which gets cancelled. On 24 minus 15 is 9. So 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta, which is R. So if you observe properly, LHS 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta, and RHS is 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. Both are same. So that is LHS is equals to RHS, which is x square plus y square is equals to 4x minus 3. That's what we asked to find. So please take a screenshot. I hope everybody took the screenshot. So we'll move on to the next problem. We'll move on to the next problem, which is third one in first Roman. I'm sorry, second Roman, first problem, third bit. This problem also is very similar to the second problem, but you can solve the next problem in two ways. I'll explain both the ways. So you can learn whichever you feel easy. Same, given x plus iy is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. Very, very similar, and both problems are important for 4 marks. The process is very similar to the earlier problem. So if anybody has joined late, then you observe now, we can understand the both problems. We write that conjugate of 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta is 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. So only the sign gets changed for the imaginary part. Now, x plus iy is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta into 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. Here also, the denominator we make the separate parts as real part and imaginary part. Here also in second fraction. In numerator, we don't have any problem because the numerator is getting multiplied with 1. So we get same 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta divided by, here again the same formula, a plus b into a minus b formula we use. So 1 plus cos theta whole square minus I sin theta whole square. I think no need to write the formula. The earlier problem I have written. If you like, then I will write a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. This formula we are using the denominator. So numerator we keep as it is divided by a plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Here minus I square sin square theta. Here also we used a plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2ab plus. Now 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta divided by 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta. Why the sign has changed from this step to this step for sin square theta? Because I square value is minus 1. So I have written directly minus 1 into, minus into minus plus 1 into sin square theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta we get as 1. So 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta divided by 1 plus 2 cos theta plus. Now, x plus iy is equals to 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta divided by 2 plus 2 cos theta. 2 plus 2 cos theta, which is equals to 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta divided by, if I take 2 common out, so 1 plus cos theta I get in the denominator. Now, if I separate the right hand fraction into real part and imaginary part, we get as 1 plus cos theta by 2 into 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by 2 into 1 plus cos theta. Now, 1 plus cos theta gets cancelled in the first fraction. We get as x plus iy is equal to 1 by 2 plus I minus sin theta divided by 1 plus r. I think I am clear till this step. Now, what do? Is we compare and equate both sides, the real and imaginary part. So by doing this, we get x is equals to 1 by 2 and y is equals to minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. Minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now, if you look into the actual asked problem is 4x square minus 1 is equals to 0. That is what we need to prove. So we consider LHS, which is 4x square minus 1. X is 1 by 2, so which is 4 into 1 by 2 whole square. If you substitute x is equals to half minus 1, which is 4 into 1 by 4 minus 1, which is 1 minus 1, because 4 gets cancelled, which is 0. That is that. Very simple problem than the earlier one. The earlier problem also simple, but calculations were a bit more. But this problem is very simple if you compare to that. So I think I am clear. If you want me to explain again, then I'll go on. First, we write down the conjugate of the denominator, which is 1 plus cos sin theta. Then we multiply both the numerator and denominator with the conjugate of the denominator. Then we simplify and we found out what is x and what is y. Then the LHS we have taken, which is 4x square minus 1. So we simplified it and we arrived to r. I think I am clear. So take a screenshot so that we will move on to the next problem. I hope everybody took a screenshot, so we'll move on to the next problem. So these two problems, the second bit and third bit, both are important for 4 marks. Please make a note. Important for 4 marks.
సుధానందిని వైవి పాలెం స్పీకర్ ఆఫ్ చేయాలమ్మా మేము
Fourth bit is if x u plus iv is equals to 2 plus I by z plus 3. So first problem, fourth bit is given that u plus iv is equals to 2 plus I divided by z plus 3. 2 plus I divided by z plus 3, and also given that z is equal to x plus iy. Also given that z is equals to x plus iy. Now, we need to find what is u and what is v. We need to find what is u and what is v. So, z is a complex number defined like this. So, you need to substitute this in denominator, which is u plus iv is equals to 2 plus I divided by x plus iy plus x plus iy plus means in place of z we are substituting the value of z. That's it. Which is 2 plus I by here this is the imaginary part iy and 3 is real and x is also real. So x plus 3 plus I. Again, if you see anything, means if you see I or imaginary part in denominator, we always tend to remove the complex part or imaginary part in the denominator by multiplying numerator and denominator with its conjugate. So conjugate of x plus 3 plus iy is x plus 3 minus iy. So u plus iv is equals to 2 plus I divided by x plus 3 plus iy into conjugate is x plus 3 into minus iy by x plus 3 into minus I. Numerator, we have 2 plus I into x plus 3 minus iy divided by, here the same, because both are in the form of a plus b into a minus b. We will write as a square minus b square. I don't write the formula because for last two columns I written it. I think you can understand. Write directly also. Now, we multiply the numerator and simplify or expand 2 into x plus 3 minus I to y. It's 2 plus I into x plus 3 minus I square y divided by x square plus 6x plus 9 minus I square. A plus b whole square formula and the next term, which is equals to 2 into x plus 3 minus I into 2y plus I into x plus 3. I don't think if I write, you see that, so I will write a bit lower, below that is equals to 2 into x plus 3 minus I to y plus I into x plus 3 plus y square. Sorry, plus y, because I square is minus 1. So that minus into minus gets 1 into y is y divided by x square plus 6x plus 9 plus 1. Now, 2 into x plus 3 plus y. If I take I common in both the terms, I get as x plus 3 here minus 2 divided by x square plus 6x or x square plus y square plus 6x. So if I write u plus iv and right hand side also, if I separate this as real and imaginary parts, 2 into x plus 3 plus y divided by x square plus y square plus 6x plus 9 plus I into x minus 2y plus 3 divided by x square plus y square plus 6x. So again, compare and equate real and imaginary parts on both sides. We get u is equals to 2 into x plus y plus 2 into x plus 3 plus y by x square plus y square plus 6x plus 9, and v imaginary part is equals to x minus 2y plus divided by x square plus y square plus 6x plus 9. This is what asked. This is the given. Given is u plus iv is equals to 2 plus I by z plus 3, and z is defined as x plus iy, and we substituted z value in the denominator, and we separated real and imaginary parts in the denominator. We wrote down the conjugate of the denominator. We multiply numerator and denominator of the original fraction with the conjugate of the denominator. We simplified and we found what is u and what is v. U is nothing but a real part of the given complex number. V is the imaginary part of the complex number. This is what they asked us to find. So please take a screenshot so that we will move on to the second problem. స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీస్తున్నారు అనుకుంటా అందరూ. సో second problem, first bit. Given that z is equals to 3 minus 5y and we need to find or show z cube minus 10z square plus 58z minus 136 is equals to 0. Sorry, I forgot to discuss the second method of the third bit. So we will discuss that also because I'll forget. We move on. Second method, we use trigonometric formula to solve this problem. That is also very simple. Given that x plus iy is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. Earlier, we solved this problem by using the conjugate concept. Now, we don't use the conjugate. Instead of using conjugate, we use the conjugate, but in a different way. First, 1 divided by, we know the trigonometric formula, 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2 plus sin half angle formula. I into 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Why I am discussing this is some of the students may feel easy than that method. That's why I am discussing both the methods. If you feel that is simple, you can follow that, or else you can follow this, which is 1 divided by 2 cos theta by 2 is common in both the terms. So I take out as common. If I take out 2 cos theta by 2 in first term, the cos theta by 2 is remaining and I sin theta by 2 in the second. Again here, conjugate of cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2 is cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2. So which is 1 divided by 2 cos theta by 2 into cos theta by plus I sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2. Now, the numerator will get the same thing, cos theta by 2 cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2 by same 2 cos theta by 2 get again a plus b into a minus b, which is cos square theta by 2 minus I square sin square theta, which you get as cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2 divided by 2 cos theta by 2 into cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta. Cos square theta by 2 by plus sin square theta by 2. This is an identity. So we get as cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2 divided by 2 cos theta by 2 into 1. Now, x plus iy is equal to cos theta by 2 divided by 2 cos theta by 2 plus minus sin theta I into by 2 divided by 2 cos theta, which is cos theta by 2 gets cancelled. So x plus iy is equal to 1 by 2 plus I into minus tan theta by 2 minus tan theta by 2. Now, if you compare both sides, the real and imaginary parts and equate, x is equals to half and y is equals to minus tan theta by 2. Now, we take LHS, what is asked is 4x square minus 1, which is 4 into half whole square minus 1, which is 4 into 1 by 4 minus 1. 4 gets cancelled, 1 minus 1 equals to 0, which is equals to R. This is the second method of third bit in first problem. So please take screenshot and write, if you are writing, if you are making notes. So yesterday, Ramesh sir has shared the notes till yesterday's class. If you are taking screenshots, you continue from there.
Not clear, sir.
ఏంటమ్మా వీడియో కనిపించట్లేదమ్మా?
కనపడింది సార్.
ఇప్పుడమ్మా కనిపిస్తుందా?
సార్
మీరు ఎల్హెచ్ఎస్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి సింప్లిఫై చేసేది కనిపించట్లేదు, మీరు చేసుకోండి అమ్మా, ఇది చాలా సింపులే. సో ఐ థింక్ యూ కెన్ డూ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. సో టేక్ ఎ స్క్రీన్ షాట్. See, after every math class, Balaji sir is sharing the video of today's class by the evening. If anybody is having any problem while attending the class, so you please go through those videos. You can clear all your doubts.
సార్ ఐ వాల్యూ
ఏమ్మా వై వాల్యూనా?
ఐ వాల్యూ అది సైన్ థీటా అడిగి
ఇదమ్మా. ఓకే ఓకే, minus 1 by 2. Okay. So this denominator, you have to, if you are writing separately in the real part and imaginary part, the denominator goes for both terms in the numerator. So cos theta by 2 cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2 by 2 cos theta by 2. Cos theta gets cancelled and cos theta by 2 cos theta by 2, you get x as 1 by 2. Here minus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 get as sin by cos, you know the tan theta by 2. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 tan theta by 2. So here y is equal to minus 1 by 2 tan theta by 2. So I think I am clear.
ఓకే సార్.
అర్థమైందమ్మా?
ఎస్ సార్.
Okay. So please make correction here. For tan theta by 2 you get 1 by 2. Or else minus tan theta by 2. We can write as you wish.
హలో
హలో సార్ చెప్పండి. బాలేదు సార్. యువరా సార్ వినిపిస్తుందా?
సార్ ఓకే సార్, క్లియర్ గా ఉంది, నో ప్రాబ్లం సార్.
ఓకే సార్, విల్ వైండ్ అప్ టుడేస్ క్లాస్ సార్. విల్ కంటిన్యూ ఆన్ మండే. సో దట్ ఓకేనా సార్? చెప్పమంటే చెప్తాను ఇంకా. అదే సార్, నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ కి వాళ్ళు అటెండ్ కావాలంటే ఒక 10 minutes గ్యాప్ ఉంది, ఇంకా వైండ్ అప్ చేస్తాము సార్.
9 minutes ఉంది, ఏదన్నా హోంవర్క్ ఏమైనా ఇస్తారా? ఒక 2 problems ఏమన్నా సేమ్ మోడల్ అంటే
సేమ్ మోడల్
ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏదన్నా అడుగుతా.
For example, we haven't discussed the example problems. So whatever problems I have discussed till today means Ramesh sir and me, those 3 classes, the similar problems I am going to write down with page numbers and problem number. The similar problems which we discussed. So please solve them. Please try to solve them. If you have any doubt, please reach out your concerned math teacher in your school. Example 1, this is express 4 plus 2i by 1 minus 2i plus 3 plus 4i divided by 2 plus 3i in the form of A plus IB, where A, B belongs to R. సార్ చెప్పారు మీకు ఒక కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు దాన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేసి ఏ విధంగా ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఐవై ఫామ్ లో చేయాలి, సింప్లిఫై చేయాలని రమేష్ సార్ డిస్కస్ చేశారు. సో ఫస్ట్ రోమన్ లో ఉంటాయి ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. అలాంటి సిమిలర్ ప్రాబ్లం ఇది ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లో ఉంది, మీరే చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఫైండ్ ద రియల్ అండ్ imaginary parts of the complex number
తీలేదా
A plus IB divided by A minus I.
వాళ్ళు వాళ్ళంట పాస్ నోట్స్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసి పంపించలేదు. ఈ వీడియోస్ పెడతారు.
హలో, ఎవరమ్మా మాట్లాడుతుంది? మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి.
దాన్ని చూసి మీరు రాసుకోవాలా.
సార్ ఎవరో చూడండి సార్, వాళ్ళు కాన్వర్జేషన్ చేస్తున్నారు ఫ్రెండ్స్. మా ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరో చూడండి అట్లా కొంచెము. ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ 1 minus I whole cube into 1 plus I in the form of A plus I. Example 4. Find the multiplicative inverse of find the multiplicative inverse of 7 plus 24i. All these type of problems have been discussed yesterday, means yesterday's class and before that class, I think Saturday's class. So please try to solve these 4 problems, which are very simple. If you have any doubts, please reach out to your concerned math teacher. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి, 4 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని సాల్వ్ చేయండి.
సార్ అయిపోయింది సార్.
సార్ అయిపోయింది సార్, బాలా సార్ అయింది సార్.